Hello and welcome to i-nastava. This is a lesson in English language for the second grade of high school. Our topic today is time travel possible. My name is Livija Pribanić and I will be your teacher in this lesson. In our lesson today, we will explore the connection between time and speed, and you will be asked to describe a hypothetical situation. Now would be a good time to get ready for the lesson. Please prepare your notebook and writing utensil. Don't forget, you can pause the video lesson at any point. We will start our lesson with a challenge. You will see words, expressions, numbers written on the screen. Try to figure out what the connection between these terms and time is. Spain, 1904. Long, curled up mustache. Runny camembert cheese. And a surrealist artist. Any ideas? Think about it. We are talking about a famous surrealist artist, Salvador Dali, who was born in Spain in 1904. He got the idea for his painting, The Persistence of Memory, which he painted in 1931, after an evening meal when he found himself looking at the remains of runny camembert cheese. Take a close look at this picture. How does this picture make you feel? Write down 4 adjectives, please. 4 adjectives related to your impression of this painting. Done? Now please add 4 verbs to the list. 4 adjectives and 4 verbs. Ready? Here is what you will do with the adjectives and verbs that you have just noted down. You will write an acrostic poem. Acrostic poem means that the first letter, usually the first letters of each line, make a word. In this case, it is time. You will use the 4 adjectives you have written down in your notebooks and the 4 verbs. And you can add nouns, pronouns, linking words, anything you need to make verses. This is creative writing. There is no right or wrong answer. Your poem will be your own creative creation. You can pause the lesson now and write your acrostic poem. I hope you have finished your first task successfully. Let's move on. We know a lot about time, don't we? We also know that it has been the object of attention of many physicists and their findings. And these findings are quite remarkable. But there is one question that arises quite often. Is traveling through time possible? In order to understand time traveling, we need to know more about the speed of light, Einstein's special relativity, time dilation, and atomic clocks. All these are very important and interconnected, and I'm sure you have mentioned these terms in your physics classes. But now we will learn more about it in English as well. Your task will be to watch a video. You can use the bit.ly link or scan the QR code. While watching, please answer only one question. Is time travel possible? Now pause the lesson, please, and watch the video. Then come back and we will continue with our tasks. So the answer to our question is yes, time travel is possible, but not in a way we see in movies or read about it in the books, right? And now please get ready for watching the video again. This time there are more questions to be answered. What is Krikalev's record? Which equation is mentioned in the video? How does speed affect time? And why can't people reach speed of light? Again, pause the lesson now, watch the video, and note down your answers. When you finish, we will check the answers together. Here are the questions, so let's check the answers. What is Krikalev's record? He spent the most amount of time orbiting the Earth. Which equation is mentioned in the video? Speed equals distance divided by time. How does speed affect time? The faster you go, the slower time passes. And the last one, why can't people reach speed of light? Because they are heavy. Well done. Now we know that time travel is possible, but how is this related to our everyday life? You will read the text about it. Here is the bit.ly link and the QR code. And this is the page that you will visit. Read the whole text, please, and find what is the connection between time traveling and everyday life. Pause the video now, read the text, and answer the question. I hope you found the text interesting. So what is the answer? How is time travel connected to our everyday life? If we didn't know that time and speed are related, GPS wouldn't provide correct locations. That is the answer. Well done. Take a closer look at this answer. If we didn't know that time and speed are related, GPS wouldn't provide correct locations. What do you notice? What is the form used in this sentence? Any tenses that you recognize? Again, we have an if construction. If plus past simple and would. This construction is called the second conditional. We use to talk it about hypothetical situations. If I had a time machine, I would travel to the year 2099. Do I have a time machine? No, I don't. So this is just a hypothetical situation. I would visit King Arthur if I could travel back in time. Can I travel back in time? No, I can't. Again, this is a hypothetical situation. And now it's time for us to sing. This time we will not practice second conditional through quizzes or grammar exercises, you will listen to a song. Here is the bit.ly link and QR code. I will not reveal who the performer is. Your task is to listen to the song and write down all examples of the second conditional. Have fun, pause the lesson, open your notebooks, and sing. Are you still singing? Great! It's good that you are in the good mood because now it's time for your final task, your homework. I would like you to think of an unpleasant event that happened to you. Describe it. What would you like to change and why? You will write this in your notebooks, or you can write it in a Word document, and then you will send it to your teacher. While writing, please use past tenses, the second and the third conditional. Good luck. Before you send your writing to your teacher, check it please. Have you described an unpleasant event? Now, description is not just stating when it happened. Please provide additional description of what really happened. Are your thoughts and ideas easy to follow and read? Don't jump from one thing to another. This makes it difficult for the reader to understand. Have you explained the change? What is it that you would like to change? Have you used past tenses, conditionals, and checked the spelling? If you have ticked it all, you are ready to send it. And finally, your exit card. Please write down in your notebooks 3 things that amazed you in this lesson, 2 things that astonished you, and 1 thing that you don't think is true. Send this exit card together with your writings to your teacher. That is all for today. Thank you, everybody. Bye.